learners, welcome to today's maths lesson. I am so excited to see you because I love maths, yes, and I know that you love maths too because maths is so much fun. It's about counting. Maths is all about numbers. We multiply, we divide, we add, and we subtract. Add and subtract. Yes, right, in today's lesson, we are learning some more about patterns, but we are talking about patterns in nature. Yes, we're talking about patterns in nature. But before we get there, we have one thing and one thing alone to do. And what is that? Yes, that is to put your thinking cap on. So put on your thinking cap, please. Hi-yay! Shake off the bad energy. Ha, ha, ha. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. All right. Right. So today I have two pictures in front of me. Can you guess what these pictures are? They look very, very beautiful. Ooh. Okay. So we are looking some more into patterns, and we are looking at patterns in nature. So our first picture, can you guess what this is? You probably see a bee. Yes, that's correct. You probably see a bee. That's a bee in a honeycomb, and it's making lots and lots of delicious honey. But why are we showing this picture today? We want to talk about the lovely patterns that the honeycomb has made. Do you see the little shapes inside? The little shapes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you see the little shapes inside? Yes. So this is a lovely pattern because you have the shapes going on and on and on and on and on. Let's stick this on the board. So our little honeycomb is a beautiful pattern because the shapes go on and on and on and on. So that is an example of a pattern in nature. So I want you to see if you can identify a honeycomb and if you can see the lovely patterns it has made. So then we have another picture as well, and I want you to guess what this is. So this is actually a butterfly wing. It's a butterfly wing. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. But remember, don't go out in the garden and try to touch a butterfly wing, because if you touch the wing, you might actually injure the butterfly and it could die because the wings are very, very soft. So this is a butterfly wing. It has different colors. It's got orange, it's got black, it's got red, it's got a little bit of white as well. So you see it's got some circles, it's got some lines, and it's created a lovely pattern. You see how beautiful that pattern is? Yes, that is a beautiful pattern that you can see in nature as well. So the next time you see a butterfly flying, don't just walk away and ignore it, but try to see if you can identify the patterns on the butterfly wings. But remember, don't touch the butterfly because you might harm it. All right, see if you can identify more patterns and shapes out in nature. Pat yourself. You're done for today's lesson. Pat, 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 pat. Great job. All right, we're going to be looking at some more patterns. Till then, I'll see you. Bye.